Good day everyone, my name is Dave Albergonia and I am your tour guide here in the Philippines. So first destination here in the Philippines is Bigan. Bigan is an important trading post before the colonial era. Bigan is located at the river delta of Abra River, along the northern western coastline of the main island of Luzon in the provinces of Ilocos Sur, the Philippine archipelago. The total area of the inclusive property is 17.25 hectares. The second destination here in the Philippines is Banawe Terraces. The Banawe Rice Terraces are among the top of the Philippines destination, called the eighth wonder of the modern world by locals. Their terraces are said to have been carved into the mountains and hillside by the ancestor of the local indigenous Ifugao tribes and are well over 2,000 years old. The third one is Sagada. Sagada is a small town in the mountain province of Luzon in the Philippines. Many visit for its cool and refreshing climate, beautiful caves and hanging coffins, as well as the serene mountains. Take enough cash with you when you visit it. The fourth destination here in the Philippines is Batanes. Batanes Group of Island is located at the northernmost tip of the Philippine territory. It is known for its scenic water and terrains and clean environments. Batanes is also recognized for the unique culture of the island's first settler, the Ivatans. The fifth destination here in the Philippines is Balabac Island. The Balabac Island is in the Philippines, last paradise found in the southernmost part of the Palawan, the same province that brings you Coron and El Nido. And if you want to visit, come and enjoy. The sixth famous destination here in the Philippines is Boracay Island. It is a tropical island surrounded by stunning white sand beaches and clear blue waters, located about an hour's flight from Cebu or Manila, just off the larger Philippines island of Panay. The seventh destination here in the Philippines is Cebu. Cebu is the one popular provinces here in the Philippines, and it's the largest island in the Visayas region. And it's a particular rich in Spanish colonial history, more beaches, special foods, and etc. The eighth destination here in the Philippines is Coron Island. Coron Island is a wedge-shaped limestone island dominated by Permian limestone or Jurassic origin, with few of its coastal areas being covered by mangroves forests. It is situated in the Calaminanes group of island and belong to the municipality of Coron. The ninth destination here in the Philippines is El Nido. El Nido is a coastal town in Palawan. El Nido comprises 45 islands and islet. Limestone cliffs are also found here, which form of carved backdrops similar to those found in Nahalong Bay or Krabi and Gilen. And the last destination is Siargao. Siargao is the island of 9 municipalities in the province of Siargao del Norte, known as the surfing capital of the Philippines. Siargao is mainly responsible for introducing surfing to the other countries. Apart from surfing, Siargao is also open to other activities such as cave exploration and rock climbing.